Alright, so let's start the demo for the HexOust control board game. So this game is played on a 7 hexagon board, which means the board consists of 137 nodes arranged in a hexagonal pattern, as you can see, and each tile is clickable. As you can see, a little blue hover over each tile. So I'm going to place a stone into a tile now, and as you can see now, a different color is showing up, red. So we can do the same with the red as well, placing a stone into one of the tile. And so as you can see, it's a game. This game is turn-based, and the aim of this game is to oust the opponent color with tiles of a bigger group. For instance, that's hard to explain with words, so I'm just going to show you with actions. So for instance, I'm going to place that one there, and then the blue one here is going to be ousted. And as well, important to note is it's impossible to place a red dot surrounded if there is no opponent color between them. As you can see here, it's possible, but then it's not possible. And then once the opponent color doesn't have any more stones left, that's the end of the game, as shown now. Alright, so now let's talk about the test strategy. So to ensure reliability, we have implemented unit and integration test using JUnit 5. Our tests follow the first testing principles: fast, independent, repeatable, self-validating, and timely. So I am going to present the high-level classes that we have tested. So each test targets a single concept. For instance, here, the board class that is tested here. And as we can see, it tests if it places a node, disable the interactivity, for instance, to check if the clicked node is can be ousted. So yes, we did as well for the controller, for instance, to test if we can place a node. So I'm not going to go over all the test cases because we have a comprehensive list of test cases per class. So our project follows a clean model view controller architecture. So I'm going to present the high-level classes. So let's start with game. So this class manages the current turn of the game and connects the board and the user interface and tracks the overall game of the state. Then let's move on the board class. So the board class holds the list of nodes and provides utilities like isInBounds, getNode, getAllNodes. Now let's talk about the node class. So the node class represent the tile of the game, and it tracks the color, the group membership, and the nodes. Then let's move to the group. So the group is the class that will help us to implement the ousting logic. And then let's move on to the controller class. So the controller class here, it handles user interface actions such as hovering and clicking. And meanwhile, the controller auxiliary performs helper logic like merging groups or validating placements. And it extends the previous controller class.